3 things not to say at the beginning of your story. Now, a lot of people are being taught how to tell their story, and that they do need to have stories to increase their sales and make it much easier for them to sell. And that is correct, but not all stories are created equal. And how you start your story is imperative to your results that you get from telling your story. Now, I've broken down a lot of the neuroscience and the buying behaviors about telling your story. And one of the key things that I'm seeing over and over again, and unfortunately it's being taught, are 3 key things that you really shouldn't start your story off with. And it's all about putting the audience down as a spectator and getting ready to watch a static story. Now, one of the first things that people are told to do is start telling people about their background. And it may start off something like this: I started, and here's how I started. So basically what that's telling the audience and the spectators is, I'm going to listen to a story about your background and your history. So I'm going to sit back and get ready to watch a static story. Now, one of the next ones is I want to share with you this. Now, the minute you start saying I want to, it turns the story all about what you want and not what I'm here for. Now, I've heard somebody say very bluntly not that long ago that nobody gives a damn about your story until they know how it's going to impact them. And the minute you open your story with I want to share, it's you saying to the audience, I want to talk about what I want to talk about. So you sit down, buckle up and get ready. Now, the third one is just about the same, is starting with I am passionate about. Now, again, that's all about you. That means I'm going to sit, I'm going to listen to you talk about what excites you. Why don't you talk about what excites me? Why don't you talk about the changes and the inspiration that I'm going to get from working with you? So when you're starting with, I started with, I want to, and I'm passionate about, it is telling your audience that this next part of the story is all about you. In your Bankable Story, which I've created, it actually flips it on its head. Right in the first 30 seconds, the audience is engaged and it's ready to go along that journey with you, when in the end, they are having inspired desirability about you. They know why you, not about you. So if you want to learn the Bankable Story framework, there's going to be a link around here. Click on that link, come and join us. If you miss the timing, then there may be a replay available. So come along, register, and I'm going to take you through step by step on how you can engage the first 30 seconds to have them with you. Take them on that journey where in the end they're saying, I've got to work with you. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the training. Click the link and we'll see you real soon. Cheers.